Mm. And I'm just roasting a few delicious Italian peppers in the oven at the moment. I've actually just put some bay leaves, garlic. Don't take the skins off, or otherwise it becomes bitter and it burns. So I just crush the garlic in the skins, put some bay leaves in, salt, a little bit of olive oil. Really healthy and really delicious. Yum, yum, yum. So I've just turned all of the peppers over and I'm going to put them back into the oven and roast them until they look a little bit black and charry on the outside. Just turn them over. How they should look. There we go. I didn't grill them, I actually roasted them, but these are fairly small peppers with quite a thin skin, so you can actually eat the skins on these. It's a different kind of pepper. It's not like the big bell peppers, they're quite thin. On the other hand, I tend to peel them. You see how the little thing came right off. I actually peel them anyway, but you don't need to with this particular variety of pepper. But there they are. I'm going to put them in a dish, leave them whole, drizzle some olive oil over and just leave them as is. There's salt already, they've been roasted with garlic with their skins on and bay leaves. You don't need anything else because you're going to take away from the most delicious flavor. But of course there are so many recipes you can actually do or prepare with these peppers. I mean, you can add anchovies, oregano, black olives, green olives. There's so much. But anyway, for now, that's them. Sights, smells and sounds of Italy. Roasted in the oven with garlic and oregano and paprika, accompanied by roast potatoes, nice and crispy and healthy. This is a typical Italian meal. We don't always eat pasta. Beautiful fresh cucumbers with basil and mint, olive oil and vinegar, no garlic this time. We don't always put garlic in everything either. And of course I've got my delicious roasted peppers, Buon appetito from Italy. Oh. And no, I'm not going to do a mukbang. No, I'm not. I'm just tasting. I'm just tasting my roast.
Oh yeah.
Oh my word, it sounds like I'm doing something bad.